This is Mek Mulung. Who? Mek. Ulang. Mek Mulung. Yes. Okay. What's Elena? Who is this? Mek Mulung. Yes, right. Okay. Play both of hand at chest. Like this. Okay. Okay. Let's circle. Like this. Pusing kanan. Okay, right. Pusing. Okay. One, two. Okay. One, two. Okay, last step and take. Turn around. Yes. Okay. Who is this?
Apa tadi nama dia? Mek.
Mulung. Teacher will give you one by one and then you will color, okay? You can color.
Boleh. Mek dapat.
Yes, it's okay. You color je.
Mana? Saya nak kena salah apa? Afwa.
Teacher. Okay, semua pegang elok. Jaga teacher boleh. Teacher nak apa macam ni?
Apa tadi? Siapa ingat? Mek
Mulut.
Okay. What she wear?